So let's talk about the relationship between custom CRM fields, a smart form, and templates, right? We have system-defined variable fields. When we go into users and addresses, the system-defined variable fields are pretty much what we see against a contact, right? This is their email, their cell phone numbers, their fax numbers, their additional information tags, their address information and the territory that they're assigned to. You'll see over here we've also got this custom CRM defaults, right? So this is, you can have custom fields against a user's actual user profile, against their address, against the territory, and against the store. And that creates a hierarchy of custom fields. So pretty much what I do is, if I'm creating custom fields here, I can leave them blank. I can watermark them as well, so you'll see here that I've applied a watermark. But let's just close out of there. Let's click on the custom CRM fields and let's add a new variable here. So the first thing we're going to do is give this a name, which is, we're going to call this one a mobile number. And we'll put that in the title as well. And we'll give that a watermark value. And what the watermark value does is that basically it just gives the user some guidance on how to enter. So you would enter it like so. And then we need a variable tag. This variable tag is so we can use it in the editor. So we don't want to use it the same as the system tag, so we'll call it mobile number C for custom. And we'll close out the tag. And because it's mobile number, we're going to assign it to the contact. It's going to be an input field, not a drop down. And we're going to leave the default value blank. And here we can force the, you'll see if you click on the tooltip, it'll tell you what you can do with the input mask. So basically you can force it to alpha or alphanumeric or just numeric characters. And that'll make it mandatory. So it needs to be 999 space 999 space 999. And what this will do is, if you put a forward slash or a dash or whatever character is in between these numbers, it'll actually hold that character in the editor. So when you save that, you'll then be able to go into the smart form, and let's just click on our default smart form here, and we'll be able to add that field to the smart form. So here we have our phone number, fax number, mobile, and our new mobile number that we've added. So this is a forced custom field. So we're going to remove the system variable and we'll pop in the mobile number there and we'll save that. So when we open up a template, we'll be able to use that variable tag in the editor now. They'll be able to actually add these variable fields now to the business card. So let's go add text box here. And we'll just put this in as the dummy text box. And when I double click on that, down the bottom here I'll have the custom field we created, which is mobile number C. And we'll click next to save that. When a user logs into their store and selects that product, they'll see the mobile number we created and the watermark we created. And when I'm forced to enter it, will be the same way that we entered it in the back end. So it's important to note that when you're creating a smart form or a new smart form, you need to make sure that you add it to the template pages, to the template properties down the bottom. Alright, so you need to select the smart form you created, and then it'll be available to the user in the store. This concludes today's training about smart forms and custom CRM fields. For more information, please go to blog.myprintcloud.com/tutorials.